Hello everyone and welcome to Sound Codex. One of the key elements of video game audio is variation. In real world, every sound changes because of many factors, such as temperature or humidity changes, because of the way sounds interact with space, with absorption, refractions, and so on. Now, when we listen to two identical sounds, we are experiencing an artifact, which is not good for the gaming experience since we want it to always be immersive and engaging for the player. A common technique used in video game audio to create variation is to layer multiple sounds together by picking up a random choice of audio file, mixing them together, and create a single sound. Now let's jump to Unreal and see how to do it. To create a layered sound system, we need to first create a sound cue. If you want to know more about sound cues, you can find both on top of this video and in the video description the link to a previous video I made. Now click on Add Import, then Sounds and Sound Cue. Rename it and double click on it to open the sound cue editor. The next step is to import the audio files inside the sound cue. So move to the content browser and search for the audio file you want to use. Once you have your audio file selected, move once again to the sound cue editor, right click, and under From Selected you have a bunch of choices, none of which allows you to import directly the audio files only. So select one of them. I like to use random. Delete random and you have your audio files. Now we need to create groups of audio file. In my case, I decided to use 3 groups of 3 audio files each. Every group needs to have a random module, so connect the first 3 elements to a random module. By default, random is created with 2 inputs, so click on Add Input to create the third one and connect all the 3 elements. Now I want the random audio file to be modified in pitch and volume, so connect the random module to a modulator and set the pitch minimum and maximum volume as well as the volume minimum and maximum values. Once you've done, connect the modulator to a mixer module and make sure it has enough inputs for all the audio groups you've created. Now repeat this process until you have finished with all your audio files. Once you've finished to build your audio system, make sure to save, and we are ready to listen to the final result. As always, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.